Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be a little... we're going to try to make this work. This is something that I have never actually tried before. It was a big trend. Was it last year, the year before? The soap brows. And Revolution have conveniently come out with a product to do just that. So this is the Revolution Soap Brow. Holds brows in place whilst creating fluffy styling. So I figured, why not give it a go? I've never done it before. I don't know, it's just something that I didn't really know how to do it. Before we get started, if you enjoy this video, obviously I would love if you get a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content. If you want content and you haven't seen it on here yet, leave it in the comment section below and I will do it for you. But back to this. I will put how much this was on the screen and where I got it from in the description box for you, so you can go and check it out. But it says on the directions, dampen the applicator and swipe across the soap. Brush gently across the brows in desired direction to create a 3D look, or use without water to hold brows in place. Should we do one with and one without? So this is what the packaging looks like. Gorgeous rose gold, covered in my fingerprints. But that's what it looks like. It's real shiny, real reflective, and you just open it up. It has a little mirror and you've got a little bar of soap and a little brush. And this little brush kind of looks like a toothbrush, I'm not gonna lie. Come out of there, you. It looks like a little toothbrush. Look, it's like a mini toothbrush. That's so cute. Okay, so if we're gonna do this both ways, I'm gonna need to go and get some water. But if we're gonna, let's try it dry first. So I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna sweep it across. Do you know what? Let's pull you in close. Hit it. Okay, so we're gonna do this side. Just gently sweeping it through. I am kind of worried because I've got my foundation on. I'm doing like a couple of other videos and I'm worried that this is like going to take my foundation off. That is all the instructions it has, by the way. So it's like the blind leading the blind here. I take it this is supposed to sort of work just as like wax. And it's just sort of going to hold. Well, I mean, it's done something. Can you see? See how this one's sort of lying flat and this one's just up a bit? How well that'll hold, I don't know, but definitely feels like there's product in the brow. Okay, so that is it dry. Kind of works just like a wax would work. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm sweeping it across. Oh my god, okay. Let's go in with the other eye. I mean, my brows are teeny tiny wee thinny things, so for somebody else this might be easier, but you can see what I'm doing here. Usually people did this with a spoolie. I think maybe a spoolie would be easier. This wee brush is cool, don't get me wrong, but I'm just gonna flick. Yeah, see, I think if you could get to sort of like apply it with this so that you're not wrecking your spoolie. But then if you want to like actually place the brows, just get a clean spoolie. This feels a lot heavier, like it feels like there's a lot more product in it. So maybe if you've got quite unruly brows, that would be good, because it's got like a little bit more hold. When the brush is too wet, it just seems to slop about everywhere. So that side's dry, this side's damp. And I take it you can just go on and like fill them in from here. So I'm gonna grab my, funnily enough, Revolution Brow Pencil. This is the one with the really thin tip. It doesn't actually say what it is, which is kind of annoying. Okay, so I definitely feel like it makes it a little bit more tricky to fill them in just because you've got a product down already. What I generally do is use this stuff in the same way. This is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I always call it a ready set brow because that's just what it says on it. But this, it works sort of in the same way and it lays them all down for you, gives you your shape of your natural brows, and then you can go in and do it. But this definitely does the same trick, and that's just extortionate. I would definitely say use it wet. I don't know if you're better off, you know, like putting it in, doing your brows, and then just going over it another time. Just with like what's left on your brush from the first time, running through it, and then taking your spoolie again and just spoolieing the brows kind of into that final place, so you can get them all held into place. Look, a big bit missing. So for £6, I mean, it's not bad. Anybody who really likes to do the soap brows, obviously you can't really grab a bar of soap and just stick it in your handbag, whereas you could with this. So I think if that's something that you really like to do, is the soap brows, then this could be like a really good addition for you. And it being only £6 as well is pretty decent, I would say. So yeah, I mean, I like it. There's nothing wrong with it. It just feels like I have a brow gel in my eyebrows now. My eyebrows never match, please don't judge me. But it works just as well as using my 24-hour brow setter, I would say. But it's a fraction of the price. I think this is over £20 and this is £6. So it really just depends. If you have this, you'll get the same effect, but if you don't and you like the soap brows, maybe this will be for you. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So please excuse the fact that I'm half done. I now need to go and finish other videos that I started, but if you enjoyed this video, obviously I would love if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos hopefully twice a week from now on a Monday and a Friday, but we'll see. If there's more, if there's going to be an extra one, it'll be on a Wednesday, but generally I'm going to try and go for the 2 videos a week. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.